Okay, we're at St. Mark's Lighthouse. Never been here before. The original structure built in 1829 and relocated to this site in 1842. So it sat here for a very long time. Really cool. You can see what. It's interesting that they built these things so close, knowing that there'd be erosion or that they wouldn't take measures to prevent further erosion, but I guess that's what these walls are for. I mean, that's what I would think. A lot of boulders, a lot of rocks, a lot of walls, a lot of coquina. I mean, I'm no engineer, but I'm gonna have to do something to keep the thing from sinking into the water. But we're toppling over. So the original house. The original keeper's house, this isn't the original keeper's house, it's been replaced a couple of times, they said, the sign said, but pretty cool that it would be right next to the lighthouse and you wouldn't have to go outside or anything to operate it, which I don't know why all of them did do that. They all have some sort of, almost all of them have some sort of building or shack nearby that would house the people responsible for keeping the lighthouse going. And that was a tough gig, man. Remote. Better darn sure remember what it is you're wanting in the store in that town, because it's going to be a long, long, long way back. Yeah, I couldn't imagine it. I couldn't imagine it. So that's it. It's out here and it's here. Of course, you can't go in because this is federal. The whole federal mantra is maintain the fear, keep up the scare. Oh, cool. So we can't even have the restrooms open because who knows what goes on in there. Really cool stuff.